Hey, what's going on? I'm Devon Holland, and today we are going to be performing our second core workout in this muscle building plan. This video series is how to create a workout plan for beginners, and in this series I show you how to create your own workout plan, and I show you step by step how to follow through with that plan. I know it's challenging for a lot of you out there, maybe not having equipment or not having somewhere to train. So I'm trying to make this content as simple as possible so that you can get started on your fitness journey. If you are new to this channel and you're interested in following along, go ahead and click the link. The exercises we're going to be performing in this core workout are mountain climbers, plank to pike toe taps, bicycles, straight leg sit-ups, and butt-ups. If you're not familiar with any of these exercises, go ahead and follow along. I'm going to teach you step by step how to perform each of these, how to engage your core, and try to stay focused throughout the entire workout. If you're going to follow along, don't forget to set your timer. You have 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds to transition between exercises, and about 60 seconds to a minute and a half of rest after you complete an entire series. All right, let's get moving. Okay, we are starting this exercise off with mountain climbers. Mountain climbers is a pretty intense exercise for beginners, but it's a great one to build cardiovascular endurance and strength. This is going to be working your arms, your shoulders. You're going to work your quads and your core muscles during this exercise. So it's a full body exercise. You're going to start off in the high plank position, and you're going to drive your knees up towards your chest with every repetition. I want you to focus on just moving as if you were doing high knees in place. Just focus on driving those knees forward and just keep on pushing. This is a great one. Make sure you get your sweat in. The next exercise is a plank to pike toe reach. You're going to also start off in the high plank position, lifting your right hand to tap your left foot and your left hand to tap your right foot. Now, this is going to work your arms pretty good. Each time you do a repetition, I want you to drop your hips down so that you can re-engage your core, and it's going to give you a better workout with your shoulders, and it's going to add a little bit more cardiovascular intensity. For this next exercise, we've been doing this for a few workouts now, and this is a great full core exercise. You're not only going to be working your rectus abdominis, but you're also going to be hitting those obliques and your transverse. So for those that are beginners and aren't used to doing this exercise, here's an alternative so that you can still get the reps in and you can still work your core muscles without having too much pain in your back or you not having the ability to keep your legs up. Great alternative. This next one is this straight leg sit-ups. Now, some people might not be able to do this exercise, and that's okay, but I want you to try your best to work these in. These straight leg sit-ups are similar to the normal sit-ups, but it allows you to actually come up a little bit easier because all of your weight isn't above you. Now, both versions of the sit-ups offer great benefit, and what's great about it is you really get to work your core fully. Even though you're coming straight up, you're actually working your obliques as well, and you'll notice that while you're doing these. This last core exercise is butt-ups. Now, when I got to this exercise, my core was on fire. It's a very simple exercise, but let me tell you, this will
burn you up. Now, when you're doing these, you want to try to keep your legs as straight as possible, and all you're doing is pushing your hips off the ground. However, you may not be able to just do it like I'm doing it with my hands down to the side. You may need to tuck your hands under your back and butt so you can push your hips a little higher off the ground. Great exercise.
Hey, thanks for following along and watching the entire video. If you got something from this video, make sure you put a comment in the comment area, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I make these videos to help people walk step by step into their fitness journey. It can be challenging with all the content out there and not knowing exactly what to do. That's why I create these step-by-step plans for you, so you can go through these plans and also create your own, because I want you to be empowered so you can take your fitness into your own hands. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned, because there's more to come. And until next time, let's keep moving.